In this video, I'm going to teach you all the tricks on how to graph a line from an equation. So if we have a problem like this that says graph the line using the slope and y-intercept, and we have this line equation here, y equals 1/8 x minus 5, and here we have our graph that we're going to graph on. So remember, slope equals the change in y over change in x. And the y-intercept can be found at 0, y. So the x is 0, and then that's where our y is. So in the equation y equals mx plus b, this is the slope, and this is the y-intercept. So you could see that this equation is in this form here. So we know that this is our slope and this is our y-intercept. Let's look at that further, okay? Here's our slope, and here's our y-intercept. So y equals mx plus b. Our b here is a -5. The y-intercept is 0, -5. And why is that? The reason that is if we put 0 in for this goes away, and then y becomes -5. We're just left with y equals -5. So when x equals 0, y equals -5. So that is our y-intercept. That's where the line crosses the y-intercept. So let's plot this first. 0, -5 is right here. Okay? Our line is going to go right through here somehow. Now, the slope tells us from this point, from here, the slope tells you to move up once and right 8. So we move up once and to the right 8. So why is that? Because 1 is the change in y. So we know that we're going to go up this way because it's +1. And then this is the change in x. So we know we have to go 8 this way. So that's where we end up here. So now we can draw the line, and you just draw a straight line between those 2 points. And this line represents this equation. And that's it. That's all there is to that. And don't worry if you didn't get that. Anyone can do this. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.